Hello, hello. We're back for another video. It rhymed. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Alright. We're going to do obliques. So we're going to hit our sides here. Your rib muscles. Like, you ever see a dude take his shirt off and like have a six pack? That's cool. But then when you have the obliques that pop too, it's like, god damn. Yeah, I had those once upon a time when I was a young Thundercat, but we're going to get back there again. Oh yes, we are. Oh yeah. All right, 3 sets of 10. Let's get going. I'm using some weight kettlebell here, just to add some resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. Hate the weight. Fuck you, gravity. Take just a second to breathe. Can't breathe. Well, let's break mine. It's too early to be yawning, except that I've already been up since 3 o'clock this morning. All right. This weight's pretty light. I'm gonna do some leg lifts, just kind of crunch my obliques in a little bit more, make it a little bit harder. Get that out of the way. Whoop, there goes my fan. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can go up on these weights significantly and go up on the weight here. I got an ankle weight I can put on. I don't know why I just suddenly got that old NFL theme song in my head. Y'all remember back in the day when Hank Williams Jr. used to always do the Monday Night Football songs? He was the best, and then they started like adding all these like pop singers and people on there. Gay? It was so lame. It was stupid. And I call everything gay. I'm not saying anything bad about gay people. I'm just saying, you know, that's how I describe things that are lame or dumb. That's how we all used to do it. If you get offended by words, here's my thing. All these people are like, you can't say that. First of all, you can't make me say anything. It's called free speech. And I'll say it. And if there's consequences of me saying it, I'll deal with that. But you can't make me say or not say anything. Also, if you're so sensitive that words hurt your feelings, what are you gonna do when someone does something physical to you? So toughen up, Buttercup, and quit being a little bitch. Oh, there really went my fan. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Can't wait till I get this place air conditioned. No more working out in the heat and the cold and the rain and the... I'm gonna add some weights next time. Oh, show. Yeah, toughen up, Buttercup. No need in being such a little bitch. You know, words hurt your feelings. Go pop your mama's titty in your mouth. Mommy, the bad man said mean words. You know, quit thinking about people's words, what they're saying. I mean, words matter to a degree because words can lead to physical things, but you know, look at what people are doing, you know, and think more about what they're saying, not how they're saying it. He said it in a way that hurt my little bitch feelings. If that hurts your feelings, then I guess that means you're the bitch. Anyway, enough about that, being a little hardcore, going down the rabbit hole of being harsh. Been that way my whole life. I say things people don't like. People take offense. Sometimes it leads to fighting, but it's all right. Pretty good at that too. All right, guys. So next exercise, going to do leg press. So, yeah. First day back and doing leg press in a while. It's going to be interesting. All right, guys. Subscribe, share, comment, and like. I would appreciate it.